Go.
Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're excited to show you today, this is the Frewitt Turbo Sieve grinding mill. It's a very unique type of mill. We're operating on 440 volts today. The unit does feature mechanical varying speed operated here. It's also explosion proof. Has a large control box here, of course, with a tachometer. We'll show you a little bit later. The unit works by using, this is actually the sieve, which you'll find inside and is driven. Inside, and Jim's going to show you in a moment, where there is a rasp, two bars which remain stationary as the unit rotates. It's very similar to any cheese grater you have at home, and I can feel it here. These are all little cutting edges around, and the sieves come in different sizes and they're available from our friends at Key International. So we're going to show you right now, we're going to be testing today a sample of the customers asked us to run for us. This is a fruit and vegetable refuse after a juicing process. It comes out with 5% moisture, then they dehydrate it slightly, so it is extremely dry and friable, and it's just a mix of different stuff. So before we run that, Jim's going to show you what's inside the mill, so you get a good look at it. And you'll see the sieve which rotates in there with the bar in front of it. So in this case, obviously there's no safety grate. We're just going to dump our sample in slowly as we get ready to go. Okay, we've tested this once, so we found out that running at higher speed works better. Come over here, Jim. You can take a look. Tachometer is here in the explosion-proof box showing you our speed. Put a plastic bag on the bottom so that you can see the material. And we're just going to dump it down into it slowly. And as you see, it went through almost instantaneously. If you come around the front here, Jim. So you can see our sample there. Pretty consistent, small, in as dictated by the size of the sieve you put inside the machine. Beautiful, instantaneous. And this is running on the higher speed, which we found work best. Other products we need slower, different speeds. The unit's portable. It has flange here with other mountings for other connections for dust-tight operation. Of course, you can change up top. It's a beautiful little unit, explosion proof. It's here in our inventory at championtrading.com. So please visit us, and we hope to hear from you.